Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Cursor AI Pro for free. All right, so let's begin with the video. To begin, open your web browser and search for Cursor AI Student Discount. From the search results, go to the official Cursor AI website, where they offer special student pricing or discounts for eligible students. Cursor offers a free Cursor Pro membership for eligible university students, giving you access to the premium version of the platform for 1 full year at no cost. Now, if I go back and navigate to their questions section, you'll see information about the program and the eligibility requirements. If your university is included in the supported list, there's a good chance you'll qualify for the free subscription. To continue, create an account if you haven't already, then proceed with the verification process. You'll need to confirm that you are currently a student and that your university is eligible for the offer. After your status is successfully verified, you should receive access to Cursor Pro for free for 1 year. And that's it. So that's basically how you can get Cursor AI Pro for free. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.